Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I make this delicious turkey pepper soup. So let's get started. For this recipe, here are the turkey wings that I'm going to be using. I've cut mine to this size. You can cut your own to any size that you want. I'm going to be washing my turkey. I'll be adding some vinegar into the water. I will leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll wash it out of the water. Here are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. I have some scotch bonnet, onions, some pepper soup spices, garlic, ginger, Maggi cube, and salt to taste. I'm going to be adding all the blended ingredients. I'll be adding my pepper soup spices, garlic, Maggi cube, salt to taste. I'm going to stir everything together. Then I'll cover this pot. I will allow it to cook for about 7 minutes without adding any water. That will add more taste to your pepper soup. So as you can see, I've been cooking this turkey for the past 7 minutes. I'm just going to give it a stir. Now I'll be adding water. I'll be adding enough water because you guys know we are cooking pepper soup. So you need that liquid of the pepper soup to eat your rice or to just drink it like that, because we're in cold weather. You need all this nice pepper soup to warm yourself up. I'm going to give it a nice stir. Then I will cover it. I will allow it to cook for another 10 more minutes. Wow, look at the way the pepper soup is boiling. I'm just going to give it a nice stir. Then I will add my scent leaf, which is called nchang. That's just take this pepper soup to the next level. I really love this leaf in my pepper soup. I'm going to give it a nice stir. Then I will just cover it. I'll allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. I'm going to be checking the pepper soup. Wow. So guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? I'm just going to give it a nice stir and it's done. This pepper soup, you can use it to eat rice, agidi, yam, plantain. You can even take it like that. This is what we really need in this period because we are in winter. Everywhere is cold. You need this kind of pepper soup to warm up yourself. Here is the end result. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, share the video to your friends and family, hit the notification bell, set it to all so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. At this point, I'm going to leave you all. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video with another delicious recipe. Bye bye. Ciao.